everybody calls me Simone. Simone, Simone, come on, Simone. I said, "Hi, that Simone. I'm Raven."
Mabuhay ug madayaw, BSE 1A. I am Angela, a working student and entrepreneur. It's my pleasure to see you here today. As far as I am concerned, the more we realize how our everyday decisions affect the environment, the more people are willing to buy the products, which will not only help to benefit our health, but also save the planet. VapoRub is one of the most common household products which many of us use regularly and very frequently in the cold and flu season. Nevertheless, the standard VapoRubs usually have chemicals which are synthetic and are packed in plastic containers that pollute the environment. Here is where our new solution is to be found. EcoVap is an ecologically friendly VapoRub which will help achieve the mentioned effect at the same time inflict at least damage to our planet. EcoVap is not just a vapor, but a promise of sustainability and health. Our product is also made with 100% natural and plant-based materials, including eucalyptus, peppermint, and tea tree oil, manufactured in sustainable farms where harvesting is done with ethics. The application of petroleum jellies and artificial additives, unlike natural beeswax and plant-based oils based in the EcoVap, makes the standard VapoRub dangerous and hazardous to sensitive skin. But we do not end in the ingredient itself. The packaging of EcoVap has a green design, or refillable containers, and recycled aluminum and biodegradable materials, and they have a significantly negative impact to one-use plastic waste. Refills will be sold in compostable materials or pouches so that customers will be encouraged to use them and minimize the landfill contribution. The whole process of production is planned in a manner to avoid excessive carbon emissions through the use of renewable energy sources and other methods of manufacturing and environmentally friendly methods. Our market segment is wide but narrowed to the people who are passionate about the environment and health. This would include female consumers who prefer natural ingredients and do not like synthetic substances. Also, environmentally conscious people take active steps to acquire products that will minimize their environmental impact. Additionally, parents who desire harmless and mild products to be used on their children to care about their respiratory system. And lastly, health-conscious communities and wellness people who are concerned with transparency and sustainability. Specialty stores and the internet that have target organic and green product lines. By focusing on these segments, EcoVac will be able to establish a brand of loyal customers who will appreciate the efficacy and the environmental friendliness of its product. The only difference that makes EcoVac a distinctive product is the combination of health benefits and environmental stewardship. Our VapoRub gives comforting effect to congestion and cold symptoms without any side effects, and it is made from natural ingredients thus safe to the entire family. Concurrently, our sustainable packaging and ethical sourcing principles will ensure that our customers will feel good when making a purchase since they will know how they are making a purchase that helps a healthier planet. We offer transparency in all our processes, sourcing to the production process, creating trust and loyalty to the consumers who acquire genuineness. EcoVap is not just a product, it is a trend, ongoing green and mindful consumption. Naturally, all innovative businesses have difficulties. An increase in the cost of production due to the need to acquire sustainable ingredients and eco-friendly packaging materials can be viewed as one of the primary challenges that we expect to face. This can lead to a high-end price scale, which may hamper the opening up of the market. Moreover, a certain number of consumers can be doubtful about the effectiveness of a natural vapor rub in comparison to familiar conventional brands. To overcome this, it is necessary to have a great educational marketing and proper communication to the benefits of our brand. We also acknowledge the regulatory environment might be complicated and there are rigid regulations on the health-related claims and ingredients authorizations that we have to maneuver about. Lastly, it is a fact that existing brands with bigger marketing budgets will compete us, and we will have to overcome it with the help of strategic alliance and outreach. Finally, EcoVap is a radical innovation for the personal care sector and an attempt to combine useful health-related products with the consideration of the environment. The growing concern among consumers to acquire products that resonate with their values put EcoVap in a unique position to respond to this concern by creating a natural and sustainable vapor rub that would provide actual relief without harming the planet. It is our opinion that through educating the consumers, transparency, and constant innovation, EcoVap can be a reliable brand in eco-friendly wellness products. We will be able to breathe easier together and to the earth. I appreciate your time and expect to be a household name of EcoVap in a sustainable healthcare in the nearest future. Adios.